Here's a small deal of some pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. First piece is basically just a couple of little colour bars going into the stone. How far, I can't guarantee, but maybe just cut a small pattern stone out of the top. This piece has got a colour opal seam through there. Looks like it comes through to this side. Whether you try to split it or cut this off here by grinding. I'd saw it first, of course, and then grind it down to the face. Again, this piece is a little vein. How far it goes in, don't know. That's what that line is there, is probably the same. No, it's not. Probably, I was going to say that could be the same opal line. It could be. There I can see green flash. There's a bit of red. That could be this vein here. Again, you need to chase it. This little piece is very bright. Just on the end there, little stone. A couple of pieces like this piece I've just thrown in. It's got a seam there, but whether it goes far, how strong it is, I don't know. But anyway, that's just a throw in. Similar with this piece. Seam seems to go back this way. How far, how big. It's a case of having to grind it down to see how far it goes, I'm afraid. That's part of the Boulder Opal experience. That could be the same bar, but you won't know until you grind it down, I'm afraid. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.